tayo. Ano ka ba? Coffee or tea drinker? Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. I've been thinking about this segment really, where we just sit, get cozy, and a little parang personal, and just talk about random things that I would like to share, and maybe if you have any topics that you would like to hear, comment it down below. So yun. Actually, for this segment, iniisipan ko pa siya ng gusto kong tawag sa kanya. I was thinking coffee break. Just a little break from all, the expected segments from this channel, and just really talk to you. So what I really wanted to talk to you about is those things that new YouTubers are experiencing. Parang sa akin. Ayan, since I'm new to all of this, I wanted to share how everything's going. I wanted to share my thoughts and my experiences, na makaka-relate din yung mga bagong YouTuber, or this might also be helpful for those na gustong mag-start sa YouTube. Diba? So maybe, because what I did before I started my channel was nag-research naman ako kung ano yung experience ng mga dati ng YouTuber, diba? So I did check yung mga vlogs nila, how they started, so that I can prepare myself mentally and physically, yung mga ganon, so I know what to expect and all that. And I thought I've prepared enough, but I found myself, dreading about some of the things that I've really parang heard about na. So we're all parang susceptible. Parang parang hindi talaga siya may iiwasan. Maybe it's human nature, I'm not sure, but hindi siya may iiwasan. And I just thought to talk about these things as I'm going through them right now. So yun, again, parang feeling ko nga kasi makakatulong, diba? Parang I'm gonna document my journey. Part naman yun nung channel ko. So I wanna document my journey. And this is where I am right now. So first, actually, it's more of mga dilemmas ko, mga fears na that I'm starting sa channel ko, yung mga ganon. So very first, and I think relate din ng marami dito, the budget. I'm trying to improve, diba, yung channel ko. So, I'm working on the camera, diba? If you have not seen yung video ko dun sa camera, I'm gonna link it down below or somewhere here. Basta ililink ko siya. Gastos siya. Gastos siya, in fairness. So, yun, I'm improving. I'm now at the lighting part ng pagsisetup ko. So, I'm not sure. Let me know if okay ba siya, dadagdagan ko pa. Definitely, dito sa harap ko, dadagdagan ko pa talaga to. So, yun. Siyempre, hanapan ko siya ng budget. Hindi pa naman ako sumasweldo dito sa YouTube. So, hanapan ko siya ng budget. Again, I'm enjoying nga kasi. So, diba? Parang you do what you love. So, ayun. And then, ang dami kong gustong ipakita. So, medyo alam yun, parang I'm putting pressure on myself. It's really about setting mindset na when you find yourself being pressured, isipin mo na lang, okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. You're just starting, and it's a learning process. Take one step at a time. Each video, one step at a time. So, huwag kang ma-pressure. If nape-pressure ka rin ngayon tulad ko, and this is somehow a reminder to myself din, diba? Huwag kang magpadala. It's okay. Lahat ng YouTuber dumaan din sa low quality na background, low quality na camera, na audio. Huwag kang mape-pressure. It's okay. And then, second is yung subscriber count. Kasi, siya, parang, again, parang sabi ko nga, mag-enjoy lang naman ako, hindi ko kailangan ma-pressure. But, then again, I still find myself thinking about it. When I know I shouldn't really, parang dread about it, I still find myself thinking about it. And I'm not sure. I guess it's really how it is. But, alam mo yun, parang lang, ang weird lang. Tapos, kasi, I'm stuck at 118 subscribers as of this video, as of filming this video. And so, sabi ko, hindi namang nanonood. Meron naman akong video na lumagpas ng 400. Bakit yung subscriber ko yun pa rin? Sabi ko nga, I have family and friends that's more than 118. Bakit ganon? Don't think that way. Okay? Medyo mararamdaman mo siya. Baka pumasok siya sa isip mo, especially when you're starting your YouTube career. Nasa starting point ka, pigilan mo kagad yung thoughts na yan. Don't hold them parang responsible na kailangan nakasubscribe sa'yo. Okay? Parang look at them as an actual netizen na you have to gain your subscriber count. You have to gain it. Kasi besides your family and friends, parang hindi lahat sila magiging interested sa kung ano yung content mo, diba? Hindi naman lahat mag-makeup. Hindi naman lahat nag-travel, diba? Yung ganun. So, don't take it against them. Don't take it personally. Yun talagang iisipin mo. Oo, sasagi siya sa utak mo. Sumagi siya sa utak ko. Pero don't take it personally. Okay? Think of your family and friends as netizen. Netizen talaga na you have to gain. You have to gain that subscriber count from them. Ayun. So, don't take it against them kung hindi pa sila nakasubscribe sa'yo. Okay? And then, next is the schedule. Isa pa sa dilemma ko yung schedule. Kasi, I am working 8 to 5. Or, I have my 9 to 5 shift. Kasi yung ganun. And I'm working on night shift. So, medyo struggle ko siya actually. In a sense na I only film every weekend. Tapos, madaling araw para walang masyadong tao. Hindi ako masyadong madidistract. So, medyo tapos yung mga konting clips ko, singit-singit lang. So, medyo struggle din kasi, syempre, sa weekend, gusto ko rin magpahinga. Kasi nga, meron akong work, diba? So, gusto ko rin naman magpahinga, yung ganun. So, when that happens, really just prioritize. Prioritize your time. Never mo tanggalin yung time mo sa family. Yan talaga ang pinakakailangan mong i-prioritize. And prioritize your work. Okay? Especially kung hindi ka pa kumikita sa YouTube. Huwag mong pipiliin ng YouTube over your work. Kasi yan yung bread and butter mo for now, diba? So, mean them well. Mean your employer well. Huwag mong papabayaan yung trabaho mo. So, yun. I-dedicate mo talaga yung work days mo sa work. And then, yun nga, for your YouTube naman na career, isingit mo siya sa kung saan lang pwedeng masingit. Huwag mo siyang sobrang ipa-priority, pero if kaya mong lumagari, push mo. Pero, again, never sacrifice your actual work. Never sacrifice your family. So, this segment, hindi ko pa talaga naiisipan ng title, but let me know what you think ang best na title for here. Again, it's just really something na, mag-uusap lang, kwentuhan lang tayo. Lastly, the thing that I wanna talk about is, out of all those parang pagdadaanan ko ngayon, and maybe pagdadaanan mo, or pinagdadaanan mo, or pagdadaanan mo in the future, the budget, the subscriber count, schedule, for me, ang pinakamakakatulong talaga is really change your mindset. Don't stress. Okay? Do not stress. Take it one video at a time. Hindi mo kailangan magmadali. Darating yung subscribers sa'yo. Okay? Just keep on doing, keep on persevering, keep on being consistent. Alright? And then, stay true. Okay? Hindi mo kailangang ma-pressure. Okay? Don't stress yourself. Huwag kang magpapadala sa pressure. Keep enjoying. Huwag mong kakalimutan na mag-enjoy. Kasi sa mga iniisip mo, yung mga content na iniisip mo, yung mga gusto mong i-share sa netizens, magkakaroon ka ng time dyan. I-schedule mo. What helped me is this. Hindi maayos, sorry. Tapos hindi ko sobrang ipapakita. But itong board na to shows yung mga ideas, mga naiisip kong i-film. So that when I have the time, when it's my schedule to film, diba, mamimili na lang ako doon. ano ba yung kaya kong i-film? Really prioritize and just keep on enjoying. Talagang may time na kung ano yung maiisip mo, but chill. We'll get there. Ayan. By the way, for newbers there, if you want sub for sub, feel free to comment down below. I'm all for it. Magtulungan tayo umangat. Yun lang. If you want to talk about any more topics, Let me know. Please comment down below. I hope nakatulong tong video na to for you. Ayan, and thank you for watching and for listening sa random dilemmas ko. Random thoughts ko. Thank you for watching and for listening. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye, dolls!